all can agree a well-cleaned home sets the mood for the holiday season. Oftentimes, my closet is so disorganized. So today is the day when I will take on this task. This is so organized. But what do I do with the clothes I no longer wear? These are still wearable and I'm going to give them away. And those that aren't not so wearable, I'm going to use them to make some comfortable cushions. So guys, if you're a fan of DIY like me, this is a fun activity that you can do at home and let the kids join in on the fun as well.